Hi guys, Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a bit of a different program. It's going to be like an easy back program, and it's a program that it's really good if you just need some recover your back and do a nice program to feel good and to stretch the muscles, or if you're actually if you have a sore back, this is very helpful. And so just really take it to your own pace, and if something feels good, you can pause the video and stay in the position. Well, without any further talking, let's just get started and you will see. So we're just going to start to come up onto your hands and knees, and then you're just going to round your spine and exhale, and then you inhale and you stretch. And you do that one more time. Exhale. And you round your spine. And then you inhale. And arch your spine. And then you sit down onto your heels. Move your hands forward. Come up. And then you round your spine. And you arch your spine. And then you sit back down into this mouse that I like to call it. And you move your hands back and you come up. And you round your spine. And inhale, arch your spine. And exhale, sit back. And you move your hands back again, come up. Exhale, round. Inhale, stretch. Exhale and sit back. All the way back. And exhale again, come up. Round. Inhale, arch. And then you exhale and you sit down. Move your hands forward here. And then you're just going to move your hands back. And exhale up. And then you inhale, sit directly down onto your heels. Move your hands forward. And really think about stretching your arms long in front of you. Move your hands a little bit back and return. So this is moving a little bit more towards your upper back. Really stretching your upper back here and the lower back at the same time. Try to really rest onto your heels and move your hands forward so you're really lengthening your spine. Move your hands back, exhale, and sit back. Inhale as you sit back, and exhale as you return. Just going to do a few more of these. Sit back and stretch your arms forward. And back, exhale and return. Inhale back and exhale. And you return. Inhale back. And exhale as you return. And then you're going to stay here, and this time you're going to move your hands. I'm just going to go a little bit back on my mat. So then you're going to move your hands forward here. And then you can either rest your forehead onto the floor, or you can move all the way down and rest your chest onto the floor. So this is called the puppy pose. Inhale deep as you stay here. And exhale. So this really opens in your lower back, in your upper back. And then you exhale and you come forward to your elbows and you look up. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale again. And then you exhale and you push back again. So you should have your hips straight over your knees. And try to press your chest into the floor. If you can't do that, just move your forehead to the floor. Really try to open your chest here. Inhale deep. If you want to stretch a little bit more, you can try to lift your toes from the mat. Inhale deep. And exhale. One more time. Inhale deep. And exhale. Lower your feet and come forward onto your elbows again. Look up towards the ceiling. Inhale deep. And exhale. One more time. Inhale deep. And then you exhale. Push back up to your hands and knees and sit back onto your heels. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale deep. And then you exhale and slowly come up to sitting. So you're going to lie down onto your back now. Just slowly come down. Stretch your arms forward and slowly roll back down to your back here. Good. And so for the next exercise, you're going to let your feet fall out to the side, and at the same time you move your arms over your head. So the sole of your feet are together here, and you can let your lower back come slightly off the floor here. Don't lift it on purpose, but it's okay that it comes off just a little bit. Exhale, and then you press your lower back into the floor, arms down your side. Inhale, over your head again. All of these next exercises that we're going to do lying on our back are actually really good to do on your bed. I don't usually recommend that you exercise on your bed because it's too soft on the mattress, but this one here is actually really nice to do on the bed, because as you press your arms down here, you exhale, and then you can press your lower back into the bed, and it feels very good. You have lower back pain. Inhale, move your arms over your head, lift your lower back, let it lift slightly. You don't lift it, you let it lift. And exhale. Press your lower back into the floor, arms down your side. Inhale. And use your abs. Exhale. Press your lower back into the floor, arms down your side. And we're going to do two more. Inhale. And exhale. And the last one, inhale. And exhale. And then you're going to hug your knees in. And so just really hug them into your chest. Inhale deep. And exhale. One more time, inhale deep. And exhale. So you can rock a little bit from side to side. So to give your low back a little bit of a massage. So you just rock a little bit from side to side. And then to really find the spot in your low back that might be sore, you can slowly lower your feet towards the mat, still rocking from side to side. And you can pull it a little bit closer to your chest here, rocking all the time. A little bit lower. And a little bit closer to you here. Going to do two more of that. And a bit closer into your body again. And one more time here. And slowly return. So you're just going to hug your knees in. So for the next one, we're going to stretch your legs up towards the ceiling, and then you flex your feet. And so it doesn't matter where you are here, what you have to do is to keep your whole back into the floor. So really pressing your low back down and your tail down. So you're trying to make a whole, like straight back, pushing it into the floor. And then if you want to, you can try, or if you can, if flexibility allows, pull your feet a little bit closer to your face. So still trying to press your tailbone into the floor and the low back into the floor as well. So just pulling them in slightly. Inhale deep. And exhale. One more time. Inhale deep. And exhale. So you're going to grab on the outsides of the feet or even the ankles, or if you want to, you can grab your big toes. Open your legs to the side, and then you're just going to pull your knees down towards the floor. So you're really trying to open in your hips here, moving the knees as close to the floor as possible. Inhale deep. And exhale. Inhale deep. And exhale. Just really relax. Melt into your mat here or to the bed. Inhale deep again. And exhale. So you're just slowly going to let go here, and you're going to stretch one leg, and then you're going to grab the other knee. So you're going to do the spinal twist. So you're just going to move your toe down to your knee, and then you're going to move your knee down towards the floor, and you look at the hand behind you. So really push it down, and if your back cracks a little bit here, don't be nervous, it's normal, it's just an adjustment. Try to keep your lower leg stretched all the time and push your knee down. Inhale deep. And exhale. Inhale deep again. And then you exhale and you slowly move back. Hug your knee in. And then you hug both knees in. And then you're going to stretch the other leg this time. So again, moving your toe to your knee, and then you're just slowly going to twist. Think about keeping your lower leg stretched all the time and pressing your knee into the floor. Inhale deep. And exhale. For every exhale, you can try to go a little bit further. Inhale deep. And exhale. One more time. Inhale deep. And then you exhale, come back. Hug your knee in, other knee in. And then you're just going to make circles outside with the knees together. Hug them in, outside, and then you move them together. So just making like a big circle with your knees here. And moving it together, up towards your chest, open to the sides and together. Just going to do one more. And move your knees together. So for the last exercise, we're going to come up to our knees. So if this exercise doesn't feel good on your back, and you can just feel as you go into it that it hurts, you don't have to do it. It's the last exercise of today, and I've decided to include it because a lot of people find good release, great release in this exercise. So it's coming up onto your knees here, and then you're going to push your pelvis forward. So thinking about having a little bit of distance between your knees, and then you're just going to slightly push your pelvis forward and look up towards the ceiling. Make sure that you're still using your glutes here, pressing with your glutes and looking up towards the ceiling. Inhale deep. And exhale. One more time. Inhale deep. And exhale, slowly come up. And just go down to where you feel you can and think about pushing that pelvis a bit forward. And that was the whole program that I planned for you today. I hope that you liked this. And if you did, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.